Fabulous four-fingered freak here. That's right. Today, I got an awesome video for you guys. As you can see, Halloween 2020 is coming up. That's right. And I carved this pumpkin myself with my awesome daughter, the little freak. Now, if you've never seen her video where she does her freaky finger tricks, I can't do it. Go check it out. It's awesome. It's gonna freak you totally out for Halloween, man. I guarantee it. Now, for today's video, well, I got a beer review. It's been a long time since I've reviewed a beer. And so I went to this specialty beer store near my place, and check it out. I found this. The Bohemian Raspberry Beer. So, obviously, it's going to be a raspberry beer. I have no idea what to expect, but I thought the name was cool, right? Bohemian Raspberry. So, while I'm taste testing this and giving my review on it, we're gonna listen to, obviously, Queen's all-time great classic, Bohemian Rhapsody. Awesome song. I love it. So, and I'm gonna drink this in my extremely rare, extremely limited edition Lady Demon. For all of you who used to read comic books back in the 90s, you know what Evil Ernie and Lady Death are about. Chaos, death, and just pure awesomeness like me. So without further ado, let's crack it up. Bohemian Raspberry Beer. All right, here we go.
Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide.
Whoa, that's cool. I don't know if you can see this right, but it's kind of got a red tinge, you know. Whoa, guys, it really does smell of raspberries. Awesome smell. If you like fruity beers, wow, this is great. Now, cheers, guys. Give me a second here. Yeah, you too, baby. Give me a second. Pretty good. It does not taste as much as it smells of raspberries. Yeah, definitely. It doesn't taste as much as it smells. Overall, good flavor, but I would have preferred that it tasted more raspberry-ish, if you know what I mean. But still, pretty damn good. I like it. Pretty cool. I like it. Now, a appearance, like I said, has a red tinge. Doesn't froth too much. I like beers who do have more froth, but hey, that's just me. Now, mouthfeel. Not too sour, not too sweet. Like some fruity beers, you know, taste too much of fruit. Let me try that again.
Easy come, easy go. Will you let me go?
Now, after you finished swallowing the beer, there is this little acidic raspberry taste in your mouth. So that's cool. I like that. So, but the smell, baby, wow, fantastic. Now, for the most important part of any beer, does it make you do burps? Does it, baby? I don't know. If the beer doesn't make you burp, it's not worth it, right? Pretty good. I like it. It's decent. Overall impression, I would give the Bohemian Raspberry 3 fingers out of 4. That's right. 3 out of 4. The only downside to this beer, to me, is the flavor. I was expecting a little bit more, like I said before, a little bit more raspberry taste. But as far as the aroma goes, that's a 4 out of 4. Flavor, like I said, 2 out of 4. I'll give it a 2 out of 4. Appearance, like I said, a little bit more froth. I would have liked it, but hey, it is what it is. I'll give that 3 out of 4. The mouthfeel, there is this raspberry acidic aftertaste, so 4 out of 4. You hear that, baby? Oh, yeah. Burp-wise, I'll give it a good 3.5. 3.5 out of 4. Could be better, could be worse. So, Bohemian Raspberry, baby. Brought to you by the fabulous Four-Fingered Freak. And don't forget, my people skills are just fine. It's my tolerance to idiots that needs work. See ya, baby! Yeah.